Hello dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That you can see a tablet in my hand. This tablet brand name Cidea. This tablet brand name Cidea. Now today I'll show you how to change the ringtone or add a new ringtone to the phone. That's why I have to turn on the phone first. When my phone is turning on, I will unlock it. And then, so I have to find the option called settings. But after finding the option, I will click on that settings. After clicking on settings, it will be presented with many options from here. Pull down, and then I have to click on audio profiles. After clicking on audio profiles, a new page will appear in front of you and you can see three dot button. And then I will click on three dot button. After clicking on three dot button, you can see a new page will appear in front of you and you can see a voice called ringtone options. Then I will click on voice called ringtone and it will be presented with many options and many ringtone from here. And if you want to add a new ringtone, just select any ringtone and click on OK and change your Cidea Tablet ringtone. So viewers, if you want to like this